I'll guide you through how to make money with VEO3. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open VEO3 and start generating cinematic AI videos. Be specific with your prompts. Describe the scene, mood, lighting, and camera movement. The more detailed, the better the result. Once your video is ready, do some light editing. You can trim it, color grade, or make it loop if needed. Keep the final file in MP4 or MOV format with at least 1080p resolution. Next, sign up and submit 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗶𝗶𝗀𝘀 as a contributor. It's free and easy to get started. Now upload your video. Add a clear title, a short description, and include 7 to 50 relevant keywords. These help people find your content. Don't forget to mention that your video is AI generated. You can include this in the description or keyword section. Submit your video and wait for approval. It usually takes a few days. Once it's approved, your video goes live, and every time someone downloads it, you get paid.